Hello everyone, this is lesson number 1, HSK 1. I decided to start a new course in HSK 1 because in this we will have some audio, some dialogues, some stories, so be more practice. And for example, this
的，
one.
我是学生。
So we will listen, but first we need to know some words. So we have a 30 lesson in HSK 1 and 30 lesson in HSK 2. Connected with official book from Beijing University HSK standard course. So let's start first, and we will slowly. If you don't know how to read pinyin, we also will learn it step by step, and I think it will be our most focal point on pinyin because words you will learn in the future, but pinyin is a basis. Let's start. First one for today it's ni. So it's a third tone. Ni. We have a fourth tone in total. Let's see. You. Are you student? 你是学生吗？So the first 是 this is fourth tone 是 it's like you scold someone 是 and this one second 学 like you ask a question 学 and 生 it's like just zero tone and also here is zero tone it's just you need to speak very quickly 学生吗？你是学生吗？ So are you a student? This one is you can read to be 学生 so but it will be not the main. You need to focus on words that have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one just for example. Let's see. What is your name? 你叫什么名字？ So 这个叫 you need it's hard to pronounce. It's like 叫 very very sound. Let's see. 叫你叫什么名字？这个名you need to speak like a song, very nasal sound. 名字 this one 字什么你叫什么名字 So you call which name by which name. So this is characters. Also, you can see and compare them step by step. You will remember it. But mostly for pinyin is important one. 你叫什么名字 What is your name? Next one. Do you drink water? 你喝水吗？水 water 水 third tone 喝 to drink 喝 so as you can see there is also you can all these materials you can check in link description in Telegram channel 你喝水吗？你喝水吗？ So you drink water. Do you drink water? 喝 this one 喝 is like yeah but is 喝 is like 喝水嘛。Next one. Do you eat rice? 你吃米饭吗？米饭because 米 it's rice, but 饭 it's you can say dish, but 米饭 it's cooked rice in Chinese culture. 米饭你吃 so this one is first tone. 吃 was very high, very steady, and don't change. 你吃米饭吗？米饭，你吃米饭吗？ And 吗 as a question particle, in English it's like do you something. Let's see. Do you love me? This one, I. Also fourth tone, I like you. Scold. I. 你爱我吗？你爱我吗？ So sometimes this 我 you don't need to raise. It's as you can see it's like top and bottom and again top 我 but you can just say 我你爱我吗 So this 我 it's usually Chinese people use just the first part 我 they just go down 你爱我吗 is also not 你 because 你爱我吗 it's very hard to pronounce. So you just say 你爱我吗？你爱我吗？ So this one is we will see step by step. Next word for today is 好，好, good, fine, nice. 好. But they also use this for like you good, right? You okay. Hello, 你好，你好. And we will meet first time this rule when you have third and a third in a row. This one change to second. 你好，你好. So you just not a lot of rules in Pinyin, but this is one of them. 你好. Let's see next one. My teacher is very good. 我的老师很好。我的这个的 possessive particle, but you don't need for now, just for reference. Put your attention on 好。我的老师 also 是 first one and 老 so 老师很好 which 这个很 you can say but very but sometimes it just you say it's good, it's very good, it's maybe not translated sometimes but usually very 很好我的老师很好 very good. This apple is very delicious. 这个苹果很好吃。这个 is this one. 苹果这个苹果很好吃。吃 first one 很好 and remember this rule. Second and third and third. This one change to second. 很好。这个苹果很好吃 is very delicious. 好吃 good to eat you can say. 好吃 but again how is our most we need to know. Is your book good? 你的书好吗？你的书 so your 你的书好吗 is good. So 书 first one it's a book 书 as you can see here. Next one, the weather today is very good. 今天天气很好 so this one is the most difficult I think in Chinese. This one 气 and this one 金 so this one is more this one with more air 气 like you burst a lot of air 气 but this one 金金 is very how to say very bright sound, very crispy sound 今天天气很好 this one 特 just our usual 特天 but also with a lot of air 天气很好今天天气很好 so today 天 is like sky but also day so today weather 天气很好 you can say air or sky air but just weather 天气很好 so for now this one just for reference. Next one 您 the second one 您 like you ask a question 您 you just polite version of you because the same character as you just with a heart on the bottom. Usually I'm not so used in Chinese today, maybe just for very formal meeting. Hello 您好 as you can see they already changed to the second tone 您好 because it's 你好 also could be. Are you Mr. Li? 您是李先生吗？您 you 是is to be. Li is just very popular family name in China. Li 先生先生 is a Mr. You can translate first bird, but just Mr. 先生嘛 This one could be Xian, but it's 先生您是李先生吗？先生吗？对，是 is also fourth tone 是 and 李 third tone. Would you like to drink tea? 您想喝茶吗？您有想 to want to sing 喝 to drink 喝茶 is the same as tea 茶嘛 and ma for question 您想喝茶吗so this 茶 is I think it's from India or China itself 茶 next one where are you going to 您去哪儿 so this one 哪儿 because it's just from Beijing the pronunciation you also can say 哪里 or 哪儿 is also called erhua just a lot of I think it's North dialect 哪儿 but on the TV on the official they usually don't use 哪儿 they use 哪里 and 去 this one 去 to go to 去您去哪儿 so you go where 您去哪儿 Excuse me, what is your honorable surname? This one is also very formal. 请问 to ask 请 please so can I ask please ask or can I ask 请问请 also very nasal sound 请问您贵姓 your 贵 you can say expensive but here just honorable and Xing it's a surname Xing 请问您贵姓 for characters we now don't will go deeply because I think it's more for second and third level. Now just pinyin is okay. 请问您贵姓？贵姓？Next one, 你们 you plural form. So we know 你 it's you and 们 it's like s. It's just plural form, create plural form for all people. For example, for animal you can for animal you cannot say, just for people. 你们 for example 老师 it's a teacher 老师们 a lot of teachers but only for people. Let's say hello everyone, hello you all. 你们好 so if you enter some room and a lot of people here 你们好 so this one not 你们 but when we speak we just say 你们好 so this rule is just for more just when I think for now is okay. Are you all friends? 你们是朋友吗？This is a bit hard to pronounce. 朋友 friend. 你们是朋友吗？ Are you friends? Are you all going to school? 你们去学校 This one 学 second tone 校 with a fourth tone like 小米 but this one is another 校学校嘛你们去学校吗 so, are you going to school? Are you all going to 你们do you all read books? 你们都看书吗？看 to watch, to look, but usually, for example, for TV we can say 看. Also for book we also can say to read a book, look at book. 看书都 is like all. You can say also 你们看书吗 but 你们都 is like you emphasize that everyone. So Chinese people often say 都 even it's sometimes not translated. You also can say do you read books? Do you all read books? Just for exactly everyone. 你们都看书吗？都你们Are you all working today? 你们今天工作吗？工 it's work, 做 it's to do something. So also to work. 工作做对工 also very nasal sound 工作 to do something 今天 today 你们今天工作吗 so you today working 工作吗 next one 对不起 so this one 起 certain 对 a this one 为对虽类推 so this one 对不起 I'm sorry 对不起 for exactly why it was 对不起 I think it's very another question just now we learn pinyin and try to read it right because pinyin is not as easy as someone thinks and even on the 4th and the 5th level you still need to upgrade pinyin I'm sorry I'm late 对不起我迟到了迟到 it's to arrive 迟 you can say with lateness just to be late 迟到了 so it's verb 迟到了 and 了 it's particle indicate a change of state or completion so here is he finished something he already happened in the past you can say like this one 我迟到 but 了 has also a lot of meanings not only like past simple for now it's okay 对不起我迟到了迟 second 到 fourth 迟到了I'm sorry please say it one more time 对不起请 so please 请再说一遍再 this one 再 again 说 first one 说 to speak 遍 you can say one time this one is pretty easy it's territory it's just one 一遍 but be careful because this also has a rule it's not 一遍 it's changed to second tone 一遍 because after the fourth tone so this changed it's one of few territories that changed pinyin depend on who is next so for now just 一遍 we'll just mention it don't be deeply 对不起请再说一遍 and you remember this bu very quiet because zero tone 对不起 it's zero tone or fifth tone so depend on situation and depend on who is how want to count but usually we can say zero tone 对不起请再说一遍 just change to second 一遍 but reading is the same but if you open for example some dictionary as you can see they change it to second 一遍 so but usually we use normal p I'm sorry this is not mine 对不起这不是我的 this one 不 is a second character this also change its pronunciation usually it's 不 but because of later is also fourth tone so it changed to second 不是 just for more comfortable speaking because if no change we can read it like 这不是我的这不是我 but now it's 这不是我的不是我的对对不起 I'm sorry this 这不是是 is like is 不 is like not 不是 not is or isn't 不是我的 mine and 我的 you can say continue with some 我的书 my book 我的猫 my cat and something else 对不起这不是我的 and remember it's not 我的 usually we say just 我的 just go down 我的不是我的 I'm sorry I cannot come 对不起我不能来能 it's to be able to do something can be able 我不能 I cannot and 来 it's to come just come to some event some meeting or something 能 this is also hard to read 能 it's not 能 it's more like mix between and 能，对不起，我不能来。Sorry, I cannot come. 不能来。来 is also second tone. Next one, I'm sorry, you cannot sit here. 对不起，这里，对，这 and 里 is like here. Also, sometimes people say 这儿 or 这里。不能坐 is to sit. So before we 工作 is also 做 but different characters. So you cannot if you just see on Pinyin, you cannot say which 做 it is because it has a lot of characters with the same pronunciation and even the same tone. So that's why characters are irreplaceable. But for now and for future, you will be understand which 做 it's mean because it depends on context. 对不起，这里不能坐，能坐 to sit. And as you can see, it's not 这里, just 这里. So the 里 is pretty like just go down. 这里不能坐. But on the fourth tone, you need to go very hard. 坐不. And last word for today is 没关系，没关系。This one 关没不是没 the second tone 没关系对 and C with a zero tone. Just doesn't matter. Never mind. Someone said sorry 对不起没关系 never mind. It's okay. May is in the future we can say like there is no or not 关系 connection. So no connection to me or it doesn't concern me. You can say. But for now it's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. 对不起，没关系，没关系，没关系，对，对不起，没关系。You did not come. It doesn't matter. 你没来，没 is the second tone. 来 come. So 没 is the same as 不 but for future tense, not used for past action. This one. But for now it's okay. It's a grammar point. We will later come. 你没来没关系，没关系 doesn't matter if you're not come. 你没来没关系。He doesn't have money. It's fine. 他没钱。You can say 没 or 没有. Also sometimes you can see, but just for now it's okay. 没钱，钱 second tone 钱，money 钱，没关系，没关系 it's okay. 他没钱没关系 doesn't matter. This matter is very small. It doesn't matter. 对，这 matter 钱，这件事很小，没关系。So in Chinese language, a lot of measure word. This one measure word for matters, for some things. 是 it's a matter of thing. 是 also similar pronunciation to 我是 something. So be careful about this pinyin. 这个剑 also very bright sound 剑，这件事很小little small 小米 this one 小米this one 小 is the same. As you remember, third and fourth in a row, this changed to second. 很小没关系 don't look, it's fine. 不要看没关系 it's fine. 不要 so 要 to want to will sometimes 不要 it's just as you remember here 不 not but as you remember here they changed to 不 because next one is fourth tone 不要 otherwise we need to say 不要看 not so good 不要看 don't need to watch it, don't need to look at it. This 不要 don't need to do something 不要 for now it's okay. 没关系 this one is important. So let's conclude what we learned today. 你 you single. As I said, we pronunciated 你 when it's separate word. 你 with a full third tone. But we also can read it as a half a third tone. For example, this one. 你是学生吗? We can read it like 你是学生吗? But usually Chinese people just say 你, just go down. 你是学生吗? And because 是 is like more hard, this one just 你是学生吗? But as you can see in in some vocabulary, in some dictionary, they usually use it as a separate, so we need to read it full. 你 you. This one also separately. 好 But as you remember, 你好. So this is, you can just go down. 好. So this sign is a bit foolish because it go down and up, but usually just go down. 你好. And remember this change to second. 你好. 好. Separate. This one, second tone. 您 as a question. 您好. Next one. Also, you can read it 你们, but usually just say 你们. Just go down. 你们好. Just like this. 你们好. Next one. 对不起. As you remember, this is zero tone. So sometimes tones are changed because before 不 is a fourth tone. 不. But this one is a part of word, so could be changed. 对不起. I'm sorry. I apologize. 没关系. Connection. 没关系. 关系 is like connection, I think. 没关系. Never mind, it doesn't matter. So this is for today. In the next lesson, we will listen audio, practice it, and later also break down in details. So stay tuned and see you.